I'm ready.
Alright.
Alrighty, we
I believe
back.
we're here.
We're here. We're here yet again.
What's up, Jose?
Yes,
How you doing, bud?
sir. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Excited to get another live stream going. Live stream
Yeah.
number 24.
That's
Ooh,
24?
24. 24. I think so.
Did I put that in the title?
You put that on the title. I think it's 24.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Hey, amazing. Amazing. I'm excited to be back. You know, it was a rough week for us. You know, a couple finals here and there, a couple of homeworks, right?
Yeah.
But we're finished with classes.
When you
And
thought they wouldn't assign homeworks for finals
they
week, they
they
definitely
assigned
assigned
homework.
homeworks.
Exactly. We jinxed ourselves. We said, we're like 3 or 4 days before the finals. We're not gonna have homeworks or anything. You know, it was give some time to study. And out of nowhere,
Yeah.
kaboom! You know, bombshell right at us. Hey, but we managed though. We managed,
What's up,
and
Orcus?
we're
How you
back.
doing?
What up, burgers? Welcome to this chat. Welcome to the streamer guy. The man, the
Um,
myth, the legend.
as you can see, we're gonna be doing a hard question today. It's gonna
Mm-hmm.
be very interesting. Jose, can you talk about it,
Yeah,
man?
yeah.
Talk about it. What do you
Oh,
think?
alrighty. So we finished. I think it was 2 problems from sliding
Sliding
window.
window. Yeah.
Yeah, and now we're gonna have 2 more problems. I had it open in mine, but we're
It's all
gonna
good.
have
I'm
to
gonna
check.
switch this scene real quick.
All right,
All right.
but just to talking about it, sliding window, we're gonna have longest repeating character replacement and minimum window substring, which is a hard one. We're gonna solve these two. Try our best to solve these two. See how it goes. And it's our first, personally, I don't know about you, Carlos, but it's my first hard problem they're gonna work with, right?
Yeah.
So I'm
It's
excited
mine.
about it.
It's my first one too. So
Yeah,
it's gonna be.
alrighty. It's gonna be a fun one, right?
Yeah.
Just a little recap about sliding window. You know, sliding window. So I think it's an algorithm where you use 2 pointers, and you're given a window to work with in an array. You have to work with do like some sort of arithmetic or logic in that window from that array. You know, but it's kind of good. It's kind of good. It's kind of fun. If you want to see the previous 2 problems, go check our previous live stream where we saw best time to buy and sell stock in the longest substring window repeating character. Yes. But
Yeah.
yeah. If you don't want to add anything, Carlos, I'm good to go. I don't know if you want to
Uh,
talk about
let
your
me
week
think.
or anything.
You want to talk about the week real quick? What do you
Oh
want
no,
to talk
I'm good.
about?
No. I'm just
Oh. Okay. So
passing you the ball.
we officially finished our summer semester.
Yep.
So we have the
Yeah.
next 2 weeks to
To
figure out
ourselves.
to fill up some time. I'm gonna
Yeah.
start with you, Jose. Jose, how are you gonna fill up your time?
Fill up my time. Ooh,
Yeah,
I don't know. I think I'm just gonna chill. You know, sleep late, wake up late. You know, get that
sleep
rest
late,
that I
wake up
didn't
late.
get. Yeah. I'm gonna get that rest, play some games. Have to catch up in Fortnite. Some of my challenges, right? I
Uh huh.
don't know, do something that I like. Go for runs. I want to go for more
Go for
runs.
more runs.
Yes, sir. You know, my goal for these 2 weeks maybe is to hit the 10-mile mark. I've
10
gone
mile mark.
close. I've gone close, but
Okay.
it's I haven't break it. So probably in these 2 weeks I might, break that milestone. But other than that, just chill, work on some LeetCode. Get ready here and there, and do the streams. Of course, I'm excited to do the streams. Maybe we can sneak in 2 streams a week. One of those two
Ooh.
weeks, maybe. It all depends, right? But I'm down for anything. I have a
Look
bunch of
what
free time.
look what Orcus just said. If you have 2 weeks and daily stream,
Ooh, daily streams. Ooh,
if it
I
was
would
to be
like that.
daily, it would definitely be
Oh,
shorter streams.
yeah, like at least 1 hour.
Yeah, at least
Most
an
one
hour,
hour. Most one
or at
hour.
most an hour. Yeah.
Yeah, because I like the idea of daily streams, right? But right now I just got off summer classes. Damn, bro, I don't know, but maybe not this week, but maybe next week, right? We can do 2 streams, here and there. I don't know about you, how you
I
feel about
say,
it.
hold on. Let me look at my calendar. Hold on. Let
Yeah.
me see. Uh, Wait. Will it pop up on my screen right here? Okay. No.
No,
Wait.
no, no.
It did. Okay. Let me look at my calendar real quick.
Yeah, for sure, for
So
sure.
school starts
The
on
26th.
the 26th.
Mm-hmm.
We have we haven't officially hit the first one of our first
On
weeks of our
until
2 week
tomorrow.
break.
Yeah.
So that one we could probably chill. But hear me out, Jose.
Yep.
Hear me out. The week before,
Yeah.
let's see if we could do multiple streams in a row.
Ooh, fast.
We'll
Okay.
what do
Okay.
you think? What do you think? For like 30
Whoa.
minutes, maybe try to complete one problem. A one problem stream
Alrighty. Okay.
each day, or maybe like you said 2 times, but I think since it's a week of nothing,
Uh-huh.
like and a week of nothing, we could try to do that for just a
Okay.
challenge for ourselves before the school starts. What do you
Alrighty.
what do you think? What do you think? Is
Let me
that a
think about it.
possibility?
I
Yeah, think
like it.
about it. Think
I
about
like
it.
it. I like it. I'll think about it. I'll confirm on you in the Discord. You put it
Confirm
there
on
in
it.
the
Confirm on it.
yeah. But I like that idea. I like that idea. I'm thinking about it. Yeah, but for sure I'm down to do more than one stream the week before,
If there was ever a
right?
time that we would do daily streams or more than 2 streams in a week, it would be in that
Yeah.
week.
Yeah, for
The
sure, for sure.
19th through the
The
25th.
3rd, 25th? Yeah, 19th,
The
23rd.
19th through the 25th.
25th. Yep.
So, me and Jose will talk about it. We'll see what we'll
Yeah,
do. Maybe not
yes,
daily,
sir.
maybe daily, maybe 2 streams at the lowest, or maybe 4 streams at the highest. Ooh.
Yeah, ooh, that'd be great.
I
That'd
feel
be
like
great.
we'll be able to do that, but we gotta see what goes down.
For sure, for
Anyways,
sure.
to answer the question I asked you on how am I gonna
Uh-huh.
fill up time now that I'm free, well, these past couple days, I mean, we've been off already for like 3 days or so.
Yeah, uh-huh.
So I went to the lake.
Ooh,
I've been playing a lot of games. I've been playing
yes, sir.
NCAA, the football,
Okay.
the college football.
Uh-huh. Yep,
So I've been
yeah.
playing that, and then let's see. Then I had like a little fantasy draft party. Do you know what that is?
Ooh, I
Like
know. Is it
football,
fantasy
fantasy
football?
football.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
we had like a little
Okay.
party yesterday, and then um, today is the stream. So I
Yeah.
watched. Did I watch anything today? Any basketball? No, I didn't really.
The NBA basketball.
No, I don't think I
The
watched
Olympics?
anything. No.
No? Okay,
So
okay, okay.
usually it was like I filled it up with the Olympics, like watching basketball. Today wasn't that. It was kind of just going out and about, getting some like supplies for the
Yeah.
apartment and stuff like that,
Yeah, for sure, for sure.
and then streaming. So that was my main thing today was streaming.
All
So
right.
usually every day I have at least one main thing to do.
Yeah.
Like I try to create one main thing to do. So maybe tomorrow, I think I'm gonna go visit my parents tomorrow, and
Hey, that's
then
good, brother. That's good.
what else? Play basketball. I'm trying to play basketball. Yeah,
Ooh, yeah, I'm telling you, bro. Let me get back over there in SA. Yeah, bro. I'm gonna try my best to play more basketball.
yeah.
You know? Yeah, I'm
So that's
excited.
kind
I'm
of what
excited.
I'm doing. But all right, let's get started, man.
Let's get started, my guy.
first,
Longest repeating character.
first question of the night, evening, day, whatever it is for y'all. Um, okay, we're gonna be. You want me to read it?
Yeah, for sure, for sure.
We're gonna be doing the longest repeating character replacement. It's a medium question, and it says you are given a string S and an integer K. You can choose any character of the string and change it into any. You could change it to any uppercase English character. You can perform this operation at most K times. Return the length of the longest substring containing the same letter you can get after performing the above operations.
You give me the string S.
And in insert K, you can choose any character of the string and change it to any other uppercase English character.
Yep, yeah. Mm, to any uppercase and change it.
I
You
think
can
I see
choose.
it. I think I see it.
Yeah.
I think so.
You can give an instruction. You can choose any character of strings and change it to any other uppercase.
You want me to kind of tell you what I think it is?
Let me see. Let me see. Let me think about it. Let me see. Let me. Okay. You can given an scenario, you can choose any character of the string and change it to any other uppercase English character. Can perform this operation K most with K times. Okay. So basically, we can.
So if you're given a string like Carlos, my name,
Yeah.
right? And K equals 2, you
Oh, you can
could
only do. Oh, okay. I see. I see.
you could
Okay,
switch
that
two
makes sense.
letters to try to create the longest repeating
Yeah.
character.
Yeah. 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 I get you. I get that. I get
So
that.
if it's
I have a little bit.
Carlos,
Uh
I
huh.
believe all those characters are different. So if K equals 2, you could choose any character, and you could choose any two characters and change it to one letter that's in my name, and that would be the longest. If it's a
Uh.
word that
Okay.
has more than one of the same letter, you would want to find that most letter that's in the word and change it k amount and change other letters that are not that most repeated letter in the word and change it so you could increase it more.
Okay. I see. I see.
I
I
think
see.
I explained it really bad, but it shows it
No, no,
right
no. But I
here on
get you.
example
I get
2.
you. I get you.
You
But
could
the only thing is that we can change it with any letter in the English
yes.
alphabet, though. It
Yeah,
doesn't
but
suppose.
you want to see because you want to get the longest repeating, so you want to see
Yeah.
which
Okay.
one.
Okay. Yes. Yes. That makes sense. That makes sense. Alrighty. Okay.
And I think
That
this
makes sense.
one you could do A or B on this one, which will give you 4.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Like you could have changed this B to a A or this A to a B, and you would have
Yeah. Yeah.
gotten the same. You getting it? I think that's
Yeah.
how
I'm
I
getting it.
understand it.
I'm getting it. Yeah. I'm getting it. Okay.
So
All right. This one is
that
gonna
being
be a
said,
complicated one.
With that being
All right.
said, the topic is sliding window. Uh, I gotta remember how sliding window goes. You start
Okay,
in the
so basically,
beginning,
you have to like a pointer, right? Two
two
pointers
pointers, yeah.
that start in the beginning,
Mm-hmm.
and then those two pointers determine a window in array. And it's a substring of an array, and you're gonna work with that window. Could be fixed or unfixed. This time we're not giving an unfixed window, meaning that we have to increase and decrease the window. It can increase the window or it can decrease the window.
Yeah.
It does not have a fixed size. I think we should move this to Skelly Draw. What do you think?
Yeah, let's do it.
To get a better understanding, because right now I'm not really fully sure.
Yeah, I agree. Send me,
I got you. Let me just clean it up real fast. I got you. There you go. Let me send it through Discord. Hey, this music it's I like it. It's
look
different
at the
vibes.
different.
Different vibes. I sent you the link, my guy. Let's see this. Below.
I'm getting that reload site error.
Oof. Well, I can see your little hand.
Okay, I'm here.
Yeah. Alright.
Yo, what's up,
Over here.
Kai?
Hey Kai, welcome to the stream. Glad that you're back.
Can we reset
Alrighty.
it? I'm getting, like, whenever I want
Oh,
to
you're reset.
draw, it's
Oh
giving
yeah,
me.
for sure. Oh my eyes.
So we create a new one?
I think this one is a new one. Let me see.
Okay.
Try this one. If not, we can. Just be careful. It's white, so
It's the same one.
it's the same one.
Yeah.
Can you draw? No.
Let me see. Yeah, let's me draw now.
Alrighty.
Alright. I'm here.
Okay. I'm gonna use red. It's my color.
Okay. You want me to get the problem?
Yeah, for sure.
Let's see.
What's up with y'all? Oh, we're doing good, Kara. Doing good, surviving. Just finished our summer classes. We're here, we're chilling, we have a great time. Hopefully we don't get that stressed out today, right? Because I don't want to stress myself out during vacations. But if we have to, right? But on that, we're good. Yes, sir.
Okay. So. Oh.
Ooh, bro.
Is that a
Fancy.
new feature?
I think so. It's yeah. It's like a pointer, like a laser.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
So.
I'm good.
Where do we start?
Okay, so let's work with example 2. I think example 2 is a little bit tougher.
Okay.
So if we are able to understand that one, we're able to. How do I make this bigger?
You could change the font now?
Can we?
Oh. Wait, I think it's always been like that.
Alrighty. So in here, what do we think? So
So
basically saying that we can switch this one to B.
Yep. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
And there's no other option that will give you 4. It wouldn't give you 5 any more than 4.
Mm-hmm.
But using 2 pointers,
Oh, I'm sorry. My bad. My bad. My bad.
how would we?
Oh, I
Oh,
deleted it again. Oh my god.
so if you have A,
Yeah.
let me see. Okay, 2 pointers. Okay, first pointer. All right, next pointer. It's the same one. So then it moves. It's different. Then what? When it's different, then what?
You can
Then
switch it.
then this one
What if we?
moves if it's the same as I don't know. I'm just theorizing. I'm just theorizing.
Yep. Yep.
If
Yep.
it's the
Yep.
same as what it was, then switch B. Then switch this pointer in the middle. And then keep going. If it's different, bring this one over here. If this one's the same as the previous, which was A now, then that means wait. Okay. So so this one turned to A, and then if this one's A, just saying hypothetically, then you switch the pointer that this one's on. You switched it
Oh,
to A.
okay.
And then now that this is A, you move this one over again. Okay, that's just theory.
30.
All
30.
right,
It's
now
okay.
what
It's
were
okay.
you
I get
thinking?
you. It's because we can only switch letters k times.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. So I was thinking, right? I like the same idea. I was thinking same thing, right? But every time we find a B, like a different letter, we switch it to whatever A is or the first letter is, whatever this pointer is at. For example, let me write this down. PTR one, right? It's
Uh
A.
huh.
You get me?
Mhm.
So every time PTR two does not equal A, we replace it with PTR one. In this case, now this one is A, right? And then we move and we keep a counter. We need k times. Let's call it times, right? In this case, we only have one time,
Mhm.
right? We replace A. We already used that one time, so we can't replace more. You get me? That makes sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now we move this one over here. Let me move this on A, yes. B, we hit B, but since we cannot move any more times, right? We can't switch any more times. You get me? We restart. We move this pointer to the last time we switch the B, right, which is right here,
Mhm.
right? Because that's the starting of a new substring. Because B, because that specific letter wasn't A, it was B originally, right? So we start from there and we reset from here. Now we say B, A is not equal to pointer one, so we switch it to B, then B, B, right? Then since A is different, right? We come over here, we switch it to over here, right? And we start again from over here, if that makes sense. I don't know if that makes sense.
So do you reset the counter, the times counter?
Yes, we reset the count, the times, yeah.
Now what if it was 2?
Two, like two times to replace.
Yeah.
Alrighty, so for instance, let's go over here. Let me go all the way back. Then give me a sec, give me a sec, give me a sec. All right, there you go. So we got times. We
Okay.
only got one, right? So we start from here. We go from here. right? We go A is equal to A, right? And we're gonna keep like a table, A we equal to 2, right? 1, 2. And then, right, B, right? B is not equal to the first one, so switch it to A. So now we switch A equals 3.
Mm-hmm.
Then we go A, we switch it like that, right?
Mm-hmm.
B, right? B is not equal to the first pointer. We switch it to A. Actually, this one is 2, right? Since we already used our 2, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. And then we move this one over here. B is not equal to A. We don't have no more like switches. Let's call them switches or changes,
Mm-hmm.
right? So we move to the first letter we switched, which is A, which is at position B on this one right here. And then we go all the way back over here. And we delete this. Oh, my bad. I deleted the problem. Bro, what the heck? Delete that, right?
Okay.
So we got A, we got 5. Then we're gonna go over here. We delete, we start at 2, right? And then we say, alrighty. If we say B, right? We got 1B automatically. B, A is not equal to the pointer 1, right? So we switch this to B. So now we got 2. We still have one more. We still have one more switch, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then we go here. We go B, right? So then we go add one more. Then we go to B, right? It's still equal to the same. One more. Here. A is not equal to B. Oh my god. A is not equal to B. So we switch it to B. You get 5, and we kill this one. And then next time, we move this pointer to the first one over here. And then you keep going, you keep going, you keep going, you keep going. So on and so
Okay.
forth. You get me?
Yeah.
I don't know if that
No, I like
works. Yeah.
I think I was thinking of some test cases, but I think they covered it. They covered it.
I don't know, it's just like you said, it's just three. I don't know if it works. Yeah. I'm just thinking about it. And we can even make it more like efficient per se.
So it's for it to stop and not do the whole thing once it meets. Once you know there's no more. Like if there's 3 letters left.
Exactly. It's not gonna be more than max or more
Yeah.
than the most substring that we have.
Exactly. Yeah.
Exactly. There you go.
Okay.
And that's so we just stop there.
I like it. So
Yeah.
how would it the pseudocode look like for this?
All right. Are you able to
We're
do it
saying-
on here?
Well, we could do it on here, yeah, since it's.
All right. And then we
We're
can transfer it to
saying-
LeetCode. Yeah. So we get a PTR. I'm just gonna call it one PTR one, PTR two, PTR sub. This sub is gonna track the first time we subbed,
Yeah.
right? Then we're gonna do another variable called changes, right? We're gonna keep track of how many changes we have. Then of course we need a max. And yeah, so those are the variables we need, right? So we're gonna say start PTR 1 is gonna equal to 0. PTR 2 is gonna equal to 1. And we're gonna need a hash table, I think, no? Okay, do you think we just need like a counter type deal?
No, I think a counter. You just override
Counter?
it whenever
Okay.
it's higher. I was saying the same thing. Like you keep a hash table for like A is 5 times, B is 5 times.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. No.
Easy. Alrighty. So if we have PTR 1 equal to 0, PTR 2 equal to 1, right? And say we're gonna check. So we're gonna start a loop, right? Start a loop.
Okay.
Say if we're gonna do. Ooh. All right, I think so. I think we can do that. So we'll counter. I think it's gonna start automatically at 1 since count PTR1 has already like a letter, right? So we can just count that one.
Let me see what the
Yes.
constraint is.
Oh no.
The length. The length will always be 1. Okay, at least 1.
I'm back. Sorry.
All right.
Yeah. So I'll say counter equal to 1 because PTR1 is already pointing at a letter.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we can say if
PTR2
equal to PTR1 counter plus plus,
Mm-hmm.
right? So that makes sense. But if it's not, right, if PTR 3, if PTR, what is this, 2, it's not equal PTR 1, right, and changes less than K, right, we're going to counter plus plus. Let me see. Yes. I think that works.
So you're saying if it's not equal to, and we have K to change the letter, then change the letter.
Yes.
Okay. Well, you don't have to change it. You just add it.
Exactly.
You just add it to the thing. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking because I was gonna switch it like in the array, but I think we just count it.
I think so too. Yeah.
Yeah,
Because
and
whenever,
then
like you said, whenever you move the pointer number 1 to that position, then you're gonna, if you do it that way, you're gonna have to switch it back, and then you're like,
yeah, pretty much, and then we're gonna check if changes equals to 0. PTR sub is gonna equal to PTR2. Right, so now we're gonna keep track of the first change that we had, right? The first change that we made.
yeah.
And then over here, plus plus. Then at the end, else. We're gonna do, so if this doesn't happen, we're gonna do PTR 1 equal
You said,
to
I'm sorry.
PTR. Yeah,
You
go
said
for it.
if changes equals 0, PTR's sub equals PTR2.
Yes.
What's PTR sub again?
The first time we switch the letter. That way, next iteration when we can't switch anymore anything, we can start a different window at that position. Since that sub that we made, it's another character.
Oh, I see what
If
you're
that
saying.
makes sense.
Okay.
Yeah, you
So
get
you're
me?
saving that
Yeah.
position.
Yeah,
But
I'm
that
saving that
means the
position
next
there.
time you run the loop,
Yeah.
you're gonna have to be comparing PTR sub now.
To what? To changes?
PTR sub will be PTR1.
Yeah.
But that means you can't use the same loop. You would have
Ooh,
to create a new loop that does the same thing, but it's PTR sub, and then so on and so on.
we can create a while loop.
Okay.
Yeah, while this is while we are still in a, we are
But it's
inbound.
still, we still got to figure out,
Uh-huh.
because we need that. Like you said, we need to have that position
Yeah.
unless there's another way. Unless,
What do you mean? What do you mean with the loop?
because you said start a loop, right?
Yeah.
And then you said PTR sub equals PTR2.
Uh-huh.
We need to use PTR sub in the future to say
Yeah.
if PTR2 equals PTR sub, then it's the same logic that you're doing right now. Because PTR sub is basically is
Uh-huh.
PTR2. Like that's the same. It has
Yeah.
the same task as the first. No, sorry. PTR sub has the same task that PTR1 has right now in the pseudocode. But
Uh, okay.
in future loops, you can't
Uh-huh.
call PTR sub.
Mm, I mean, after I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. But
After
at
it's
the
all
end,
done, you're gonna say PTR1 equals PTR sub.
exactly over here at the L's in the bottom, I'm gonna say PTR equals PTR sub, PTR2 equals PTR1
Oh,
plus 1, right? We're resetting the values, and PTR sub is gonna equal to 0 or
0.
something,
Something
right?
that's,
And
yeah.
counter changes is gonna equal to 0, right? So
Okay.
now we restart at the next iteration after we check this condition, these two conditions right here, right? If none of them work, means that we ran out of changes, we ran out of things to do, so we switch it up with the new thing. If that makes sense. I don't know if all that made sense. I was kind of just thinking, free writing for a little bit.
No, I think it makes sense. I just thought, what's it called? I didn't, you weren't done yet. So, that's my bad.
No, I good, no, I good, brother. I good. No worries, my guy, no worries. I see. So how do you feel? You think this is the one, or you feel like we could improve it a little bit better?
Then let's add the thing if length, if remainder, like if remainder characters
Oh, okay. I see. Let me see. It's
is
because I
less than the
forgot.
max.
Yeah, yep. Let me see. It's because we have to do. Give me a second. Give me a second. Right here. So I think everything is gonna happen in this part of the if of the logic where we're gonna say uh so we can keep the max, right?
Okay.
Counter equals 0, and then here we're gonna say if if oh, wait a minute. Okay, never mind. So here, after we moved everything, let me see. After we update all these values, right? We're gonna say There you go.
If PTR
Minus
is
length.
less than PTR 1 minus length.
Uh-huh. Yay or nay, yay or nay.
If PTR 1 minus length, what's the value of PTR 1? Isn't that a
PTR1 is
letter?
the index. It's an index.
Okay.
Yeah, it's an index. So basically, we're saying if PTR1, at the position 1 in the length, we're going to get a difference, right? From PTR1 to the length, right? Let's say we are in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? This length of 6, right? And I'm here, and let's say our counter it's 4. We say 3 minus 6, which is the length, 6 is the length, minus a current pointer we have, it's 3, right? 3 less than 4, yes, so break. If that makes
Okay.
sense.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah.
Or return max.
Or return max. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I like it.
I
I
don't
think
know.
we got.
I don't know if this is gonna work. I feel like it's too buggy. I feel like it's. I don't know.
Well, I guess we will just have to see.
Alrighty. Hey,
All
but
right.
if you feel like we could change anything or anything throughout the process, you tell me, my guy. You tell me. Feel free to switch it up. So I might have skipped something. So you tell me. You tell me.
So PTR 1 equals 0, PTR 2 equals 0.
Okay. So we're going back to LeetCode, right?
Yeah. You're going to have it on the side and reiterate it to me.
All right. I got you. Give me a sec. So we're gonna have PTR1, PTR2, PTR sub.
PTR sub.
Yeah, which is equals 0 to, then changes equal to 0.
What should we PTR sub? How should we describe that?
The first change, the first letter change in an iteration.
The first letter change index.
Yeah, you can call it index.
Okay. And then
And then we have changes equal to 0.
can we just minus k?
Um, ooh, minus k changes minus k. It's because I was thinking like, okay, how would that work though? K
I
minus,
don't
because
know.
I'm interested in that one.
I have no idea. I wonder. You could say. Nah, I mean, I was just saying. I wonder if there's a way you could just say k, and then minus it, but I don't think you can. All right, I put num changes. Num
Yeah,
changes.
I'll set it to Sue though. Set it to 0, I think.
Set it to 0.
Yeah, so we can do 1 change, 2 change, 3 change, 4 change. Does that make sense?
Okay.
Or you tell me, whatever, because I might not seeing something that
I think it works both ways. I was thinking you just have k, and you just
already.
minus it. If it equal. If no. No, but
Uh-huh.
it'll work better for you the way you have it, because you said if num changes equals 0, then that means that's the first change. If you have it like this, oh, you could say
Yeah.
if num changes equals k, which is this.
You can subtract changes onto, and we can check on if num changes is 0.
Which one do you think? Which one do you think? Which one would you like?
You tell me, bro. You tell me. You decide,
I'm
my
gonna do
guy.
yours. I'm gonna do yours.
Alrighty,
Just because you already
already.
have it. Okay, then we got that.
Yes. And then we have max equal to 0 and counter equal to 0.
And counter is a what again? Is
Just the amount of occurrences of a letter, of the current letter. Amount of occurrences of the current.
Counter
Uh-huh.
is.
The amount of occurrences of the current letter.
I
No,
think I
maybe
was thinking you could just you keep adding to max repeat. Oh, wait.
because
Uh, Let me hold up. Let me see.
yeah.
So you have, let's say you're at A1. You like you do it to max repeat. So you're down here, right? You see it?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So you put 1 into max repeat. You put 2 into max repeat. You have num changes equals 0. That means you have one. In this case, we have one change to do.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
we change this. Then now we put we put max repeat. We add to it. So it's 3. Next one, it's A. Max repeat equals 4. And then, like you mentioned, you start right here now, and then you say, okay, uh, num changes. We have 1. We change this one. Is 2. We're counting 2 now.
Uh-huh.
1, 2. No,
Uh-huh.
no. We count this one. We're
Uh-huh.
counting 1. Is
Uh-huh.
1 less than the max repeat? Yes. Okay, so then you don't add anything. It wait. Is 1 something to where yeah, okay. Let's do counter. All right, keep going.
But what was your thought process though? I'm
My
still.
thought process was like
Uh-huh.
if but in my head I was like, okay, we know that 4 is not going to be greater than the max repeat, but the way the logic is working is going one at a time. So you would still need a counter anyways, because I was thinking, well, technically, why count these when we know it's 4 and it's not going to be greater than and it's not going to be greater than max repeat. So
Yeah. Okay.
I was like, why should we add? But in order for us to do that, we would still need to count these to see if it's
Yeah.
4
Uh-huh.
in the first place. So, anyways,
Yeah.
yeah. Anyways, keep going.
So just PTR2, I think it's gonna equal to PTR1 plus 1. Because it's gonna be the next one, the following one. Yeah. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Alright.
But what if there's just only one letter?
Ooh, you're smart. You're smart. Hmm. How would fix that though? How would we?
I mean, the way we would do it is put an if statement, but those are like the ugly
Edge
ways.
cases, yeah. PTR0, PTR plus 1. Hmm. PTR plus 1. How would you fix it? I'm interested. 'Cause,
Mm, well, we could say We could have both of them start at the same letter, and then
Okay.
we do a while loop, right? We
Uh-huh.
increment in the while loop for the first letter. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so we should
Yeah.
automatically do it, and then if it passes that first letter, then we increment PTR2. But the loop is saying if there's nothing for PTR2, then stop.
Let me see. Let me think. Let me think. Tier 1. Okay, so you're saying like inside the loop, we start switching it up, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like they both
Okay.
start at 0.
Yeah, yeah.
They do the first loop, and mm, then they add the 1 to the counter, and then it
Okay.
moves, and then now PTR moves over. But if there's no PTR2, then stop.
You know what? Let's I like that idea. PTR2. Um okay, yes, PTR2. Let's start with PTR2. Let's start it at 0. And
Okay.
and we do all of our logic based on PTR2. We kind of forget a PTR1. PTR1 is just like a placeholder. You get
Uh
me?
huh.
Yeah, so let's focus on PTR because I like that. I like that idea. I see you. I see you. I see you. Yeah, that made sense. That made sense. So we'll do we're gonna do some like so let's start a one loop. Do PTR2 well PTR2 is less than the length of S.
S. Okay.
This yes. This
And
yes.
then.
And then we're gonna do, by the way, just a little out of topic. We got our grades back for the
Oh,
final.
really?
So I don't know if you want to check it. I don't know if you want to check it. You know, up to you. Up to you.
Let me see. How do we? Uh,
Yeah.
all right. What you get?
Oof. Ready?
Ready?
280.
280. Oh no, I was saying
Yeah.
your final your final
Oh, but
score.
my final score was for everything.
Yeah,
I got an A. What but you?
an A.
Yes, sir.
Night was it a
Yes,
97?
sir. I'm not sure. I haven't checked the percentages.
Okay,
Yeah.
nice,
Yeah. Hey, that's nice. It's nice.
good
That's
stuff.
nice. Yes, sir. All good. All good. All righty.
Okay, keep going.
Keep going. Keep going. Left side note. Left side note. Alrighty. So that basically is gonna check if we're still inbounds, right?
Mm-hmm.
Um. Then let me put this out. Then we're gonna do. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. Okay, here we go. Start while loop. Then we're gonna do if. Wait. Counter plus plus. Right. Because we are assuming PTR2 is a new letter per se. You
Yes.
get me? Yeah. PTR2 has already a letter, so might as well count it. And we're gonna say, okay, here we're gonna move to the next letter.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Alrighty. And then we're going to say, ooh, let me think. Let me think. Let me think. It's because here.
No, we should have. if PTR2 PTR2 not equal PTR1, if it doesn't equal,
Oh, okay. I see.
then
Yes.
do that
If
logic that you did.
PTR2, yeah, if PTR1, PTR2 does not equal to each other and changes is less than K on the if statement,
Okay.
yeah, we're gonna say counter plus plus, and then we're gonna do if changes equals to 0. We're gonna do PTR sub equals to PTR2. Yeah, okay. So we disregard that. Then we move here. Okay, and then we do changes plus plus. Inside the if statement. No, outside that if statement. Uh, inside that if statement. I think you have to tab in. There you go. Yeah.
Like that.
There we go. Yeah.
Nice.
Does that make sense? I don't know. Let's
Yeah.
take it. Yeah. Alrighty. Just making sure. Because I don't want to skip a step. Because I feel like if I skip a step, like if I don't know, I feel like a little doubtful of this
But if it does
approach.
equal, so does that mean it's an else or?
If it does equals, um,
Or do we
mm,
continue after that?
uh, I mean, we're not gonna hit the counter at the bottom.
But we did it right there at the inside the if statement.
But the first PTR2, when they're both at the same position at the beginning, it's not gonna get counted.
It will right here.
But if you put the continue inside that if statement, oh, okay, never mind. Okay. I see. Yeah.
Right?
I see. Yeah. Okay. Let me see. Let me think that through.
Only run if PTR if PTR2 letter isn't
equal to PTR1.
equal PTR1 and you have changes left.
There we go.
And then
Makes sense.
go to next iteration.
Yes, sir. We got that going. And then we still need
run if PTR2 is the same as PTR1.
yes. Okay, yes. And in the first if statement, we're gonna have an else.
Okay.
Not the one inside, the outside one with the PTR. Yeah. We're gonna do max will equal max. Max, what do we have? Max repetitions? Max repeat is gonna equal max repeat counter.
Okay.
Then we're gonna say PTR1 we equal to PTR sub. Then we're gonna say PTR sub equals 0. Change is 0. Counter 0. And then we're gonna have an if statement there. We're gonna say if I think you're gonna get the absolute. So if abs PTR1 minus length is less than counter.
Wait.
Right.
Is less than max repeat?
Yes, max repeat. Yeah.
Okay.
Break.
Then return Yay or nay?
I think so. Yay, yay.
Or break?
I think
Because you could do this anyways at the end, like
yeah. I
out of
think
the
break.
wallet.
I think return is gonna work too.
Okay.
I'm fine with that.
And then?
That's all.
You think so?
Think so.
Should we have return max repeat out here?
Just yeah, just in case.
So we get nada.
Alright, we
Okay, we're
got
down by 1, down by 2.
that too. Ooh. At least we're not getting any errors.
I would consider this an error.
No, like errors, like syntax errors.
Oh, okay.
Let me see. Can you expand the test cases to the left if possible?
Yeah.
Yeah, like, and the test results too, just to get a compare them. Or we look at the code.
Alright. So, while PTR, which is 0, is less than the length, which is 4, if PTR not equal to PTR1, they're both at 0, and nums changes is less than K. We're incrementing num changes after each PTR sub equals.
So
I think it might be this one.
alrighty.
No, because we say num changes equals to 0. So never mind. Oh. No, never mind.
Change.
It might be this right here. We gotta put continue still. Cause if this doesn't go, then it's gonna run this. Cause we're doing continue for this one, but we're not doing continue for this. And if this doesn't go, then that means it's gonna run this.
Oh. Okay. I see. Go for
Right?
it.
That
Go for it.
could be
Yeah.
one of the
That
issues.
makes sense.
Continue. Okay, let's see.
Oh, we
Now
got
we got
an
infinite
loop.
loop. Perfect. Just what I wanted. Continue.
It's because I don't think that continue, because I think the if statement is always gonna hit. No, it's always gonna hit.
What do you mean? This right here?
Yeah, I think it's always gonna hit. Cause PTR1 is still gonna keep advancing, right? And we're still gonna somehow at some position we're gonna hit that if statement. I think where the problem lies is on the first if statement, where the num changes. Two, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's see.
Oh, isn't PTR2 supposed to be changed right here?
Oh yeah. PTR2 equals to PTR1 plus 1. Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh, wait. No, I think it's equal to PTR just PTR1, I think. Because yeah, because over here at the beginning we set them equal to each other. Yeah, I think that, yeah, maybe.
Run it.
That's the only piece of logic that we're missing. Uh-huh.
Okay, we're getting the same thing. So it gets reset. Alright, you want to trace it then?
Yes, I want to trace the
Okay.
first one.
This one?
Yeah, do case one because I feel like
Okay.
that'll be easier to trade. It
Let's
says
see.
one,
Oh,
so
okay.
one is not gonna hit. Oh, let me make it bigger. All right, so one and B, those the first estimate's not gonna hit. It's gonna be the last estimate, which is +1. PTR +1, then 2, not equal, non-zero. Counter changes. A same B2 0 1. A is gonna go to B. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. What do you think is the error?
I gotta trace it. Let me see.
Yeah.
PTR2 not equal to PTR1. It is equals, so the else gets ran. Wait a minute. I think it's this, cause if I'm not mistaken, the first just on A. If PTR2 is not equal to PTR1, they're both at 0. So PTR2 is A, PTR1 is A. They're equal to each other. So then it goes to the else, and then it does this when it shouldn't. It should go to
Ooh,
this.
okay, I see. Okay, that makes sense. Yep.
We
Make it an
want
ellipse.
this for whenever
They're not
whenever
when
changes equals to
this
K.
is, yeah, whenever changes
So
equals to K.
uh wouldn't
Ellipse?
it be right here? If num changes equals K after you add it?
Okay,
If num
go for it.
equals K, then you just do oh. And then I don't know, but
Run it, let's see, let's try it out.
okay. Bruh. Well, do we need this continue? Yeah, we do need that. Okay. Do you want me to? Okay, so now let's check it. So, A, if PTR2 is not equal to PTR1, that's not true for the first iteration. So if doesn't get run, so counter plus equals 1, counter is 1, PTR2 is okay. PTR2 is on B. If PTR2 not equal to PTR and num changes is less than K, which it is,
Because it's
then that
0.
means
Uh-huh.
counter plus 1. If num changes equals 0,
Uh-huh.
this one also assumes that. No, that's fine. Because it's less than K. Okay. Num changes equals 0. PTR sub equals PTR2.
Yeah.
Num changes plus 1. If num changes is already hits its max, then get this and reset it.
Yes. Yes. But we're still in A and B. A and B, they're not equal to each other. So we got counter plus 2, num changes equals
Mm-hmm.
B. Num changes equals 1. Okay. We skip that one. And we skip that one. We go to the next one. Now we got A and A are not equal. Oh, okay. I think the if statement, since we're working with pointers, PTR2, even though A and the second A are equal, they're both A's, right? PTR2 and PTR1 are indices. The first A is an index 0, the second A is index 2. So we're always going to hit the if statement. You get me? So PTR2 equals 2, and PTR1 equals 0. And they're not equal to each other.
Oh.
Yeah. So we're going to do S at that position. S PTR2, S PTR1, and num changes is less than K. Because we want to check the characters if they're equal to each other, not the positions.
Okay. Can you do that for a string?
No, oh, it's a string.
Um.
Start split.
Right.
Yeah, I think you can do that. Yeah, that makes yeah. I think it's just gonna give you. Yeah. Let me see. Let me search it up. Uh.
All right.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Do you think that works?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
These would be the same, right?
Yeah. I'm pretty sure.
Okay.
You ready, my guy?
Run it.
You ready? Come on. Oh my God, bro. We still have a +1? Missing a -1? Oh my God. At this point, bro, you just add a +1. Easy. Somewhere in there.
Okay.
Bro, no way, dude. Imagine.
Doing test cases.
Yeah. Don't forget the K2. Oh, what? Oh, alrighty. Oh, look at you, bro. Look at you.
I don't know how I did that. Don't ask me.
Oh,
Okay.
oh.
No way. What was the result?
No
It
way,
said
dude.
it said how is this
This.
output 3? Oh, okay, okay. They said it should be 4, which we did get 4.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Um,
Oh, right there. Never mind. Oh, on two below, I think there's a couple.
that's not real, right?
Go for check it.
That's not real.
Knowing LeetCode, it might be. It might be. Then I think it's two. Knowing LeetCode, it might be. Ah. Hmm.
All right, our run
The
was
answer is six, not five.
okay. We got to trace it again.
We ain't tracing it with that thing, bro. That thing is wild. That
We're
thing
not
is
tracing it with
wild.
this one. Uh, we got to trace it without the +1. I think.
Yeah, because that's where we're getting the issue. One of the issues.
Okay. So let's run this now. So let's start it again. We're at 0.
Mm-hmm.
If while PTR is less than length
Then,
array, okay,
uh-huh.
that checks. If array at PTR2 is not equal to array at PTR1, this doesn't check. So we're going to the next. Counter, I'm going to start writing it. Counter is 1 now.
What if you take a screenshot of the code and move it to schedule draw?
I think I could do it right here in the
Yeah,
comments.
already.
Okay, counter, and then PTR2 is 2. I mean, is 1. Okay? And
Yeah.
then next, while PTR2 is less than the length, and then I'm going to just put the length is 4, right?
Think so.
Okay,
Yeah,
one,
yeah.
2, 3, 4, 4. Okay, which checks if array at PTR2, which is 1, so that would be B. If B is not equal to array at PTR1, which is A, and num changes less than K, which num changes is 0, K is 2, then that means counter plus equals 1. So now counter is 2. And if none changes 0, PTR sub is going to equal PTR2, which is 1. Okay. And then num changes is going to equal 1. If no, okay. If num changes equals K, which it doesn't, then it skips all this. And then it continues. PTR2 doesn't get incremented because we continued it. That seems
I
like
think
that's
that's
an
the
issue.
problem is, yeah. That's an issue right there.
But then counter gets added. But this gets added right here.
We can move it to the top too. It doesn't matter, no? It's not gonna affect because we're not. Oh, it does.
Well then
We can move
how
PTR2
about we
on the
just put
top.
PTR2 plus equals 1. And then continue.
Alrighty. Yeah.
Okay, so now PTR2
Two.
is is 2, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we continued. PTR is less than the length if array at PTR2, which is A, is less than equal to, is not equal to PTR1, which it is equal to it. So we skip that and we go to counter plus equals 1. Counter plus equals 1, which is 3. And then PTR2 plus equals 1, which is 3. Okay. While PTR is less than 4, okay. If PTR at 3 is not equal to PTR at 1, which it is not equal to. Wait a minute. And num changes is less than k, num changes is 1, it is less than k. Then counter goes to 4. Num changes is not equal to 0, so that doesn't go. And then num changes plus equals 1, 2. If num changes equals k, which it is k, then you get the max of counter. And then this equals 4. PTR1 equals PTR sub. PTR sub equals 1. So what is that? Okay, so this equals 1 now. And then PTR2 is going to equal 1. And then PTR sub equals 0. So this goes to 0. And then num changes goes to 0. And then counter goes to 0. Okay. And then if abs of PTR1, which is 1, minus the length 4, so that would be 3, less than max repeat, which is 4, then return max repeat.
Yeah.
Do you think we got something there?
I think we got something in here. I wanted to run it. I feel like it runs.
Huh? Oh.
Oh. Dude, I was about to, bro.
Oh my.
Oh my.
Okay. So now it's we haven't checked from PTR sub and forward. We haven't checked that.
Okay.
So new test case, new reset. We gotta do this,
Damn, but it's
man. We
gonna
gotta
take.
do this.
I get you. It's
I'm
painful,
sorry.
but we have to do this. No, it's all good. It's all good.
Okay. So length is 4. Yep. Okay.
No, here the length is a little bit different.
Oh,
It's
3.
1.
That's 7.
I think so.
4,
Yeah,
5,
7,
6,
7.
7. Okay. So PTR, okay, 0. Yep. Okay. So PTR is 0. Less than, yep, 7. So that means this is going to equal the same. So counter plus equals 1. So that'd be 1. PTR2 is 1. All right, we're there. A not equal to A. So that means it is equal to A. So that means we increment the counter. So it's 2. This goes to 2. Now we're at B. B not equal to A. It's true. Num changes. Is it less than K? It is less than K. So counter plus equals 1 is 3. If num changes equals 0, it is 0. Then PTR sub is equals to PTR2, which is 2. And num changes plus equals 1, which is 1. If num changes equals K, which num changes does not equal K because K is...
No, I think it does equal to K, though.
Okay, it does equal to K. Okay. So then...
That's an issue.
So then max repeat... So then max... No, I don't think there's an issue yet.
That's
Hold on, hold on.
uh
Is it?
okay. I
No,
think
okay, let me
so.
see. I haven't got there yet. Hold on. You're spoiling
Yeah.
it for me, bro.
Don't worry, I got you. I
Alright.
got you. They, yeah.
Max repeat is the max counter, which is 3. Okay. PTR1 equals PTR sub, which is 2. PTR2 is going to equal to 2. PTR sub is going to equal to 0. And then num changes equals to 0. And then counter equals to 0. And then if abs PTR1, which is 2, is minus length, which is 7, so 5. 5 is less than max repeat. No, it's not. So then you do PTR2 plus equals 1. So you go to 3. And you continue. So now you're at 0, 1, 2, 3, A. PTR1 is at 2, which is B. So if... Wait. PTR... Yeah. So then if A is not equal to PTR1, which is B, which it is true, then counter... Have we seen the error yet or no?
I think it's not like the code works, but you're gonna still get the wrong output, because num changes equals 1, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right, and we're gonna hit the if statement, right? So that means that gonna have a, right? Instead of having a B, we have an A, right? After that third, because the B gets replaced with an A, right? In this situation, right?
So you don't get to
We're
get to the
gonna
next A.
We don't get to the next A. That's a problem.
So
We get me?
you're
So
saying
we, uh-huh.
it needed to continue after this.
Yeah, after that, until we hit another letter that's not equal to A. In that instance, it's gonna say, all right, we have no more changes. Let's switch everything, right? But in this instance, we do have another letter after we do a change. You get me?
Yes, I do get you.
So that's why it's like it's gonna hit. So I was gonna return 3, because as soon as it hits a B, right, or a letter that's not A, it's gonna reset everything,
Reset it. Yeah.
and we're not gonna go to the other letters. So
So, okay.
I was
Yo,
thinking
we're
to make
playing the
the.
same music. It's
Oh
just a
really?
repeat of everything.
Oh nah, bro.
That's all good.
Ew. Nah, it's actually calming. Like, like when you focus, you have something in the background. It's nice. You don't really
Yeah.
pay attention to it. It's nice.
Okay, keep
Hey,
going.
but the
Sorry.
beats are good too. So I was thinking the if statement. The second if statement, we can make it an if, where num
Uh huh.
changes equals k, right?
So it'll be a elif to this.
No, elif to the first if statement on top. Yeah, to that one.
So
So
all
you're
this
gonna,
right here is a elif.
yeah,
Okay. Uh. Okay.
yeah.
Like
Then
that.
if you wanna tap that out a little bit to one to the left,
Oh, do you know how to do that?
shift tap.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, you can highlight everything too. There we go. Sure. And then on the first if statement, we are going to remove the end. The end num changes right over here.
Oh, I'm
On the
sorry. I'm
first.
sorry.
No,
Reset.
you good, brother?
Reset. Where are you at?
Now we have that on the first if statement. We're gonna remove the num changes, the end num
Mm-hmm.
changes, and then we're gonna say, boom, 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 count plus 1, right? Okay, so we're gonna do move. We're gonna if num changes is less than. Okay, so right there we're gonna have two if statements.
Right here.
Yes, above that, on line 21, we're gonna do if yeah, if num changes is less than k, right? If num changes less than k, if num changes less than k, counter plus equal 1, and that should work.
You think this works?
Let me think. Let me think. Let me think.
Why do you think that works?
Okay.
Why are you
Let me see. Let
adding
me see.
another counter add?
Wait a minute. Oh no. Remove 21. Remove 21. Yeah. Remove that one. Remove that one. So we hit B. We hit A. We hit another B. Another B. Num changes. Now 1 equals K. Right. We don't do a plus 1. Num changes equals a plus equal. Okay. Move the num changes plus equal 1. No. That one's good there. B. We had the B. We hit the B. B1 is no. Ufas. Nah, we got this, my boy. We got this. We got this.
I
We
think
got
we
this.
need to
We got
reset back to where we're at
Mm-mm-mm.
and figure
Trust me
it
in this,
out.
bro.
I'm
Trust me.
trusting
Trust
you,
me.
but
Yeah.
I see
Trust
it
me.
like
Trust
I
me.
see some more complications. I'm pretty sure.
All right.
I haven't
Move line
traced it.
25. Move
Okay.
line 25 to the first if statement.
Okay.
All right.
This one.
Yeah. Okay. Now move the first statement after the first if statement and run that. Let's see what that works. If not, we can go back. If not, we can go back.
Okay, let's see.
Okay, we can go back. Bro, we still have a
Oh
hard
man.
problem to go, my guy.
No,
We
no,
still have a
no, no.
hard
Trust,
problem
trust.
to
We're here.
go.
We're here. Trust, trust, trust.
Bro, my insanity right now, dude.
No,
It's
no, we're good. We're good. Trust,
yeah.
trust, trust. Okay. So, our issue is that whenever we figure out this equals k, we're resetting it. When in reality, we should keep going
Should keep going on to the next.
until it hits another different one.
Exactly.
So this needs to hit the next time around.
Mm-hmm. Or what if we move 24 after the if statement? 924? Yeah. Move it all the way over here to line 35.
Yeah. Yeah.
Does that work? Move it back?
Okay, move it back. We're moving it back. Okay, hold on. Wait, what are you
Run it,
thinking?
run it.
I'll run it.
Yeah, just to make sure we got the code right and everything. Oh yeah, okay.
Okay. So this affects this.
Mm-hmm.
So if none changes equals 0,
Hey, Hype Dog, welcome to chat, bro. Job market so butt right now. I heard it's been a rough one right now. But hey, still have to be working. We still have to be working here. Keep the aim high, keep the dreams high. Alrighty.
num changes less than k, then counter plus plus. I mean, yeah, counter plus plus. num changes plus equals 1. Num changes plus equals 1.
Plus equal 1.
If it equals 0, then we want to reset. If not, you still add it. Then we want to keep going. But if you keep going, num changes is not going to be less than k, and it will never hit this.
That's what I'm thinking, to make it an if.
So if it doesn't equal that, and num changes is less than k, if it doesn't equal this, counter plus plus. If num changes is less than k, then
Or why not, right? The first if statement, right there, we can do a continue. Okay.
if it doesn't equal, add it. If counters less than k, change that. After it's done, continue.
Mm-hmm.
If it's the same after it runs, then it checks if num changes equals k, which it shouldn't.
That's gonna hit again.
It should check once
We
it
can
hits a
put,
different one, which is
yeah,
this.
and well, in if statement, that if statement we can hit and we can say and or that first if statement. And our PTR2 is not equal to our PTR1.
That
Mm-hmm. What do you think? What do you think?
Oh, I'm pissed, bro.
Damn, bro. Check case 3. Why we get that one right?
I don't know, dude. I'm pissed. We're on to something right here. I felt it. If num changes, you continue. Num changes gets added. You're at A. Where are we at? We're at A. If you continue, then you gotta add PTR2 though to move it. That's the thing. So if it's not equal, which would be, it would be right here. If PTR2 not equal to PTR1, then we're gonna add the counter. Then if num changes less than k,
I think it's over here, line 40 and 41. The PTR2 plus 1 and the continue. We're not adding the counter plus equal 1.
what do you mean?
Like, I think we should delete 40 and 41. Mm-hmm.
And I think it's right here too. Counters getting added, but we don't know if it's added. It should be added yet because we don't have. We didn't check the num changes.
Yep, yep, yep.
Let's see. Okay, well that one works now. Just what we wanted.
What about 3? What's wrong in there?
Hold up. Let me delete this 7th one. Alright. Where are we at? Okay. 3. We're getting nothing on this one. Okay, let's figure this one out now. So, AA, yep. If PTR1 not equal to PTR... If PTR2 not equal to PTR1, which it is equal, then you counter PTR2. Okay. PTR2 is B. If B not equal to A, which it hits this one, then if num changes, yeah, we got num changes. We add the counter. If num changes equals 0, PTR sub is PTR2. Sub is B now. And num changes plus 1. PTR2 plus equals 1. Continue. So now PTR2 is here. Sub is right here. Wait. No, PTR1 is still right here. This equals the same thing, so counter plus equals 1, PTR2. I got it.
Go for it.
We're only getting the max if this happens. But what if there was all A's? We only get the max once there's a different letter. We need to get the max still at the end, even if there's not a different letter.
Okay. Go for it. Go for it. You also have to get the max here on line 38.
No, because we get the max from right here.
Oh, okay, okay. That's nice, that's nice. I think you're onto something.
Alright. Come on, baby. We're almost there. We're almost there, baby. Come on. Okay, let's get this one. So.
I'm gonna cry.
Uh.
Ooh. I see why. This one is... this one is a tough one. Because this one is working backwards.
So A. Do we swap this one? We swap this one. But we had it before, though. That's what pisses me off. Is that we had it before.
It's technically working, right? But we have to switch A.
Yes.
We have to switch A.
Also, your face is not showing for some reason.
Oh, it's because I'm laying down. Sorry, my guy.
Oh, that's all good.
I think I'm popping up right here. Oh, I was laying down on my chair.
That's okay. You can continue laying down. I just thought it was a glitch.
No, I good.
Courageous, what's up? I don't know if we said what's up to you. My bad.
Oh, Courageous, welcome to the stream. Damn, bro.
Oh, man.
It's because this one is working backwards, my guy.
But how did we get it right the first time? We got it right the first time. Our first initial code. Our first initial code got everything right except for that long one.
It's because this one is also getting it right.
No,
For
it's.
example, go
I know
to,
what you're
no,
saying,
go to.
but it's not.
I mean, yes,
How did we get it
but like
right the first time
because our
using
code
the
was
same thing?
acting faulty though.
Oh, it's still
It
acting
was
faulty.
Yeah, but now it's not. It's acting faulty, but beforehand it was like basically luck. It was like acting somewhere in there. There was a fault that was giving us the output.
So
You
you're
get me?
saying if we use that test case that we saw, you're saying that should
Maybe.
work? Maybe if it's
I
not.
don't know.
Okay, let's see.
I don't know because we still have to check the previous letters.
Let's see. What was it? 2?
Yeah.
Oh, you're pissing me off. Oh, you pissed me off,
Mm,
LeetCode. You pissed me off.
mm.
That is annoying. That is annoying. Okay. Okay. So this needs to be switched to a B. Max is 4.
Uh-huh.
What we're doing is we're doing A. We get the sub, so it starts off right here as soon as we hit a sub or whatever. Or
Yeah.
starts off, yeah, starts off right here. That is annoying. And I don't want to do something where it says blah blah blah, start from the other side.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
I don't want to do that.
Yeah, no edge cases, no edge cases.
How the hmm. Ah, I think I got something.
Yeah.
I think I got something.
Yeah.
If okay, hear me out, hear me out, hear me out.
Go for it. Type it, type it, type it. Are you? Are you?
I'm not gonna type it, but I'm gonna just explain it.
Mm-hmm.
If we have a max of 3 and the length is 4 and we still have some num changes, I mean some letter changes, then add to that. Does that make sense? So
Okay.
if our max is 3, okay,
Max is 3.
and we still got
Yes.
k amount of changes to do,
Hmm.
right? Let's get
Yeah.
the remainder from let's get our max minus the length and whatever that number is. Let's add until we're done with num changes, and that will give us our max.
Okay.
Because look, we'll get 3. We'll get 3, right? And we only did. I don't think we did any. Look right here. Where can I print it out at? Print num changes. So we did 0 num changes. We have 2 remaining.
Yeah.
We still
Yeah.
so if there's 1 letter remaining and we still got 2 num changes, then then subtract it.
So we're gonna
Subtract that 1
do.
changes from the remainder that we have, and then boom, that's our max.
So we're gonna do the length, the substring length, right? The 3
Yeah.
minus the length, which is gonna give us 1,
Yep.
and we check if that difference is less
Less
than
than the num changes we
the
currently
changes.
have added
Add
to
it.
the
Okay.
max.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Where do we put that?
Right here at the end.
Okay, go for it. Go for it. Go for it.
If length array minus max repeat is less than wait. Yeah, is less than wait, no. Yes, is less
Mm-hmm.
than
Changes.
num changes,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
then return max repeat plus oh plus length I mean, this is kind of extra, but I want to see if it works.
Damn, okay, this is a bit of a messy code then.
That is messy.
Alrighty.
Something like that.
Alrighty, go for it.
Okay, I didn't do it right.
I think it's because it's hitting this one over here, no?
Where? This one.
The online
This one.
37.
Okay. So. Whoop. Whoop. Whoop.
A little bit copy and paste. Doesn't hurt anybody.
You're pissing me off, Jose.
If
Okay, let's reset. I think it works, but I must not be doing something right. Let's try it again.
just right there?
No, not just right here. I think both, like you said, but I don't think I'm doing something right.
Alright, so okay. So you're gonna get the length.
We wanted to get the length minus what we got. So the length minus 3. Okay.
Yeah.
Remain equals length ARR minus max repeat. Okay. We want to say if remain is less than num changes, then add it.
Remain is
add it to max.
Okay. Plus equals max repeat?
Yeah.
Okay, I see.
Like that. That's the idea. But it's not working. This should be the same code as before. But now it's not getting it. Why? We put it in the 2 spots it needs to be. If remain is less than num changes. Remain is the length. Oh.
Well, maybe
okay,
it's
less than k. Because num changes is 0. Or, it needs to be... Wait.
Okay.
Wait a minute.
Because now we have to take into account the amount of changes we have available.
Is less than
I think
k
it's
minus
negative.
num changes.
No. Okay, go for it.
Hold up, Jose.
Yeah, you do you. Alrighty, hey, welcome, Ali. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Yes. Alrighty, so this piece of code's kind of interesting. My brain a little bit fried right now, but oh man. Alright, Carlos gonna run it. Let's go.
I think that's the answer, but
You want to submit or you want to check more?
I don't want to submit. I want to check for more.
You got better one. once we solve it, we're gonna go to the solutions, bro. I bet there's gonna be like a one-liner or something.
Yeah. They're
Oh, right
all-
there, right
let's
there.
see.
4. I think it's a 4. Come on, test
4?
cases. Yeah. Yeah.
Come on. Supposed to be 10. We got 12. Perfect. Just what we wanted.
All right. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see.
If
2,
this is
3,
out,
4,
if
5,
this is out,
6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 5.
okay, that doesn't work.
Bro. Run it, run it, run it, run it, run it. Let's see, figure it out. Let's figure it. Run it. Come on.
Say that again.
Run it. Let's see. Let's figure it out. Let's figure out case number 5.
All right.
All right. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, okay. So we're solving. I think it's the same problem we're having right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think it's the same problem we're having with case number 3, where we have this changes, right? Go to case 5.
Mm-hmm.
So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm counting the B's. The B's. So at C we have 5 B's, right? Then we go 6, 7. We still have 3 changes left. We still have 3 more changes left. Yeah. Since we still have those 3 more changes left. Oh. Let me see. Go back to the if statement we made,
Okay.
like the subtraction stuff. Right here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is less than max repeat. We get 7 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 13. So you get 13. 13 minus 7, that's 6, right?
Okay.
6 is less than. Oh, here it goes. 6 less than K minus changes. Here, I think it's a remain thing we have here. That's the thing right here.
This.
Because the remain, we just have to check if remain is less than we just have to check if the length max repeat is less than length. After that, we can just add the remain. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whoa, 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 whoa. Why are we adding remain?
Because
we should add K minus num changes here. Because remain, you're adding whatever the letters. Because length minus R
add
minus
remain
next,
minus K.
Yeah, no, K minus num changes. K minus num changes.
But if we have,
because remainder with the remain rates, let's say here on it's the B's, come from the B's. It's 1, 2, 3, 4.
add
C5
K minus num changes.
6, 7. 7 minus rax repeat, that's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You're adding the remainder letters that we didn't count.
So you're saying like that?
Yeah.
Good eye.
Oh my god. Now we got 13. All right, go to case 5.
Wouldn't it be remain minus K? No. Here, let me see. Remain minus. Don't ask why. I just want to test it. All right. Hold up. Don't ask why again. Okay. Seems like if it's up here, you're gonna do. You're gonna do. Let's see. Oh my gosh. You see how irritated I'm getting? Alright, try it again. Alright. You're done. Alright, Jose. Where are we at? Where are you at? I can't hear you. I didn't know you were talking this whole time.
I'm sorry. I had to mute myself. Sorry. Apologize. Where am I at? Oh, dude, my head is fried, bro.
Hey, I put the thumbnail saying we're gonna do a hard problem. We haven't even finished the first one.
Change the stream, bro. Change the title. Change the trial. Change the title.
I'm gonna change it to I even had some grammar errors on the thing. Wow.
Solving our first hard problem.
I put attempt to solve a hard problem. Might attempt.
Might
Alright, updated.
Might
Holy.
attempt. Oh man. Bro, 2 hours in this problem, man. 2 hours.
I actually kind of like it. I like the problem.
It's fun.
It's definitely fun because we're there. Like I understand what's going on, but I don't understand this test case. That's where I'm at.
It's because it's this test case, pretty much. The case number 5. Start at the B's. Like start at the first B, right?
Okay.
You go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have a C, right? We switch that to a B, so now we have 5 B's, right?
Yes.
Then we add the other 2, we got 7 B's, right?
Yes.
But take in mind, we still have 3 changes to do.
Yes.
7 plus 3, that's 10. That's how we're getting the 10, because we're adding those 3 changes in the back.
Okay.
Do you get me?
Yeah. So you're saying
we
it's
have
simply just this snippets of code issue.
It's a snippet of code. Because beforehand we were getting, I think we were getting 7. No, we were getting 13. No, 12, right? Because we were adding the remaining letters, right? Here we have to say if length minus max repeat is less than if max repeat is less than length, right? I think that's the if statement. If max repeat is less than length, right? I think that's the if statement. Then we add, because the remain, right? That's where we're getting the leftovers, right? Here we have 7 B's. 7 minus 12, we're getting a 5. We're saying 5 less than K minus num changes. You get me? So, and I don't see a logic of like, why are we counting those 5 other letters? We don't need those 5 other letters.
Okay. So
So we
you're
just
saying if
yeah,
length, wait, if
if max
max
repeat,
repeat less than or
uh-huh, yeah,
then
max repeat plus equals
k minus num changes
no, because num changes is gonna equal to 0. Um,
well, that might be another issue.
yeah, yeah.
So how about we just
Move it to the bottom. You have to remove the return to all the way to the bottom. My guy,
which
we
one,
have
this
to
one?
start us. Yes,
Why?
because then it will get reset.
This doesn't always run though. Remember, this
Oh,
doesn't
okay.
always need to run.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, I get you. Just do max. Yeah. Then you do num changes minus k minus num changes.
Like that.
Yeah. Run it.
So now we need to do it here.
Copy and paste, my boy.
This music, this background music is so like motivational, like,
Yeah. Like come
and
on, boy. We
yeah,
just here.
and I'm just not feeling it so far.
Me neither. Not feeling it. If this doesn't work, I'm done, bro. Oh, this is.
K minus num changes.
I'm done, my guy. This. This. Mm. Mm. Let's do a little bit of insanity level up. Let's do a
Okay.
little bit of insanity. Yeah.
All
See
right.
where we're at.
Let's.
Cause
All right, Jose.
I can see your
Going
face.
with,
There. You're like you're
I'm
so
just
done
looking.
with it.
I'm
You
like,
just looking.
I'm scratching my head and everything.
All
All
right,
right. I'm gonna let you go first.
bro. I'm like at 8 right now.
An 8. Okay.
Yeah. It's not because it's hard. It's just confusing. I don't see it. I don't see the problem. I don't.
I'm at a 6.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Whew.
Bro. Damn. Damn. So how do you want to approach this problem? What's the verdict? How do you feel? What is this problem making you feel right now?
Well, it helps that I think it's just these two problems that are you gotta add them from the back, right?
Yeah.
So it eases my mind a little bit more that it's not a new issue. Does that make sense? Like it's not
Yeah.
a new thing.
Mm-hmm.
So I think we're there. It's just we just need to figure these next lines
Figure
of
it out.
code.
Yep.
So that's what's kind of making me feel a little bit hopeful. Um, but I think we need to trace it to truly get it.
Damn, trace all that code again? Eesh.
Yeah. Orca said it
I mean,
makes me want to quit coding.
yep, same here.
Cord just said, "Oh no." Yeah, we're cooked, man. We had
We're
to
cooked.
first ever change the title midstream because we don't know if we'll
Midstream.
deliver the first hard problem attempt tonight. And I'm kind of upset. Like, I'm upset because I was expecting to do a hard problem today.
Damn, bro.
That means we might have to do a special 30-minute stream tomorrow.
Special 30-minute
An
stream tomorrow?
emergency stream to get that hard problem out of the way, just so we could fulfill our promise that we failed to do. Anyways,
Man.
let's one thing at a time right now. Hold up, let's figure out this code real quick. Okay. Okay, well, let's trace this one at least. Can we trace this one?
Yeah, for sure, for
Okay,
sure.
okay. All right. Can you do it?
Yeah, for sure. I got you.
All right, thank you. I'm here writing it down on my iPad. Okay.
Okay. Can you do it on
Xscape?
yeah. So I can
Okay.
like actually because right now I don't I
All
can't
right.
like go in there and switch the.
So
I think just a picture from the wild underneath, like a little screenshot, if
this.
possible. Yeah, from the wild
Wait a minute.
to yeah.
I didn't get the full thing.
Hey yo, what's that extension, dude? That's kind of nice.
Giazzo. I think
It
that's what
only
it's
works
called.
with Chrome, no?
No, I think it works with anything.
Ooh,
Yeah.
that's nasty. I like the little sound effect it has.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
All
Where we at?
right. Let's see.
I'm gonna delete this right here. All this blue stuff. Is that okay?
All right, go for it.
All right.
You do you. I'm with you. Okay,
All right.
okay.
Boom. And then the letter is it is this. Let me delete this. All right. And the K is 2. All right. Do your thing, Jose.
Alrighty, so I'm gonna write him here because I don't. For some reason, your letters look gray on my screen.
Don't worry. I got you.
Yeah. There you go. Thank you, bud. Thank you. All right. So we got. Give me a sec. TR1. Okay, so we skipped the first one. Oh no, we skipped the first one. Num changes equals 0. Same thing. Go counter. PTR. Zero one. We check these. Num changes. Changes. 0k. What is k? K is 2. 0k. Yeah. Counter +1. +1. Counter +1. 2. Changes. Okay. Num changes 0. PTR sub. PTR sub equal 1. Num changes +1. Continue. Okay, no. Okay, so we continue. Now we have B. B num changes 1, less than 2. Yes, counter. Counter 3. Num changes not equal to 0. Num changes +1. PTR. Wait a minute. 3.
Wait, I thought PTR sub changes once there's a different character.
Mm. Oh, yeah. What am I doing? There you go. Yeah, my
All
bad.
right, all right. Whew.
PTR 3.
It might have,
PTR.
I might have been. I should not give it to let the person with the highest insane level to trace.
Bro, we're gonna end up more confused in this thing.
Okay, okay.
We're in it though. We're in it
All right,
though.
no,
We're in
no,
it.
just a little mistake. Don't worry, it wasn't Biggie. It
Little
wasn't
mistake. Little
Biggie.
mistake. Little mistake. Of
You're
course. Of
still
course.
there.
Of
You're
course.
still there.
So 3, A3. Yes, they're not equal. If num changes is 2. So we skip that one. We go here. Num changes 2. There's not equal. We reset everything. Now max repeat is 3.
Yep.
Right? Max means 3. We return. So I'm gonna delete all of these. I'm gonna release okay, PTR1 equals sub, which is 1. And then where I'm gonna put okay, changes equals to 0. Boom. Counter equal to 0. Okay, we all got that 0. PTR sub equals to 0. Like that. Boom. Then here, if absolute PTR1, which was PTR equals sub, which was 2, and which was 1. 1 minus length, which is 4, right?
Yeah.
Length. 4 max repeat, which was 3, right? So now we have 1 minus 4, which is 3. 3. Okay, so we skipped that one. We skipped that iteration. It's 3, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right. So we go changes, blah blah. Now we start again. Then right here, we go counter plus 1, counter plus. Okay, we have to fix this thing right here. We need to continue in here
Okay.
because now we're gonna hit this right here. Or no, I think this works. Yeah, I think this still thing works.
Yeah, I think it does. Wait,
The
maybe not
I
the
think that
counter though. Wait, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
even the counter works. Because counter
Wait.
equal 1 now equals 2. So now next iteration we're gonna start at 1 and 2. You get me?
But you're assuming that the next number, the next letter is gonna be the
Okay.
same. Oh wait,
Oh, that is
no. You still have
no,
K.
no.
You
We
still
still have
have.
yeah, because
You
when
still
we
have
hit
changes.
this,
Uh-huh.
when we're here, this means that PTR1 and PTR2 are the same because of this right here.
Okay.
So you
Okay.
get me? So either
And
way,
you
we're still
reset the
counting.
num changes. You reset. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, you get me?
Yeah.
It's still technically it works per
Okay.
se. Yeah, so we go 1, 2, 1, 2 positions. This one and this one, they're the same, right? Blah blah blah. We hit here, counter 2. This one 3, 1, 3. They're the same, so we're gonna do 3. Counter pointer 4. Ah, you see here,
Why'd
here.
you make that noise, man?
'Cause it's a epiphany noise.
Okay.
Epiphany.
Okay.
We're never gonna reach here because we never used any of our changes, right? That means we still have changes to make. Do you get me?
Okay.
So this logic is only gonna happen if we got all of these changes, if we used all of our changes
But it's
possible.
also at the bottom.
And that is true. In this case, we just have to add plus k.
I knew there was something there. I knew there was something there. Running
Try
it.
it. Oh my god.
I
Oh,
think you're onto something. This is problem
this is problem
424,
424.
longest repeating character replacement.
Oh, man.
No. We're there,
Yeah.
Jose. Come on. No. Go back. We're in the lab. Go back. Okay.
We're cooking in here.
Okay.
We're cooking.
You said.
We're not hitting this.
We're not hitting that.
Yeah.
Num changes never maxes out.
Never maxes
Whenever-
out. Therefore,
Yeah. You gotta add
the
the
changes.
current amount of num changes minus k. Because that doesn't mean num changes is 0 either.
It's not minus.
Here, what did it tell us in the?
Mm.
It said for 3 we were 1 higher. For 5 we were 1 lower. Because we said k. And if we do k minus num changes, we get the same thing. We get 5. Let's figure out how we're getting 5, Jose. Keep going, buddy. Keep going.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
with you.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
watching. I'm with you. I'm here. I'm
Okay,
here. I'm with
brother.
you. Trust me. Trust me.
Where did we get 5? On this one.
We're gonna finish off the code. We're gonna figure out how we got 5. So where are we at right now?
Because we got. Oh, I see.
Okay.
Because we got 3 plus 2, which equals 5. We only need 1 change. So to get this change, we have to get a. Right. So now because we're adding to the max repeat, which is 3, plus all the changes we didn't use, so it's 2. But we have to do.
So k
So we have to
k
do-
is 2. We have 0 num changes. So that means max repeat is gonna add 2. So that means it should be.
It should be. It's here.
K minus num changes minus the length of the array.
Oh, I said that one more time.
K minus num changes minus the length of the array. Because right now we're getting 2. We're getting max repeat plus equals 2. Because num changes is 0, if I'm not mistaken. And k, which is 2, minus 0, 3 plus 2, boom.
Yeah, that's why we're getting 5, because it's 3 plus 2.
So we should be doing, since we have 2, we should be doing the length. Wait, no.
No.
We should be doing the remainder. So the length minus max repeat minus k minus num changes. The remainder characters left. Why is this so hard? It's just simple subtracting.
It's because pretty much right? We can take the length, right? The length here is 4, then 3, right? We can
Uh,
get 1,
1.
right?
Yeah.
And we just add the +1, we get 4, right?
Yes.
Easy. But let's say we got 3 A's, 3 B's, right?
Okay. K is still 2?
Then we got a 6. Yeah, a K equals 2. 6 minus 3 equals 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6. But in this case, we only taken these two. These two. So it should be, the real answer should be 5. You get me? We cannot just subtract the length. You get me?
Yeah, I
We
get you.
cannot just say like 3 minus 3 or just add it, because you're basically adding what you subtracted in that case. You get me?
Yeah.
So we need to figure out a way to say, alrighty, BBB, right? We can say if, right? Follow me.
I'm following you.
If max plus k is greater than the length, return length, else
You're brilliant.
return
You're brilliant.
no, max plus k. That should
But
work.
it's max plus K minus num changes. Is that correct? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's see.
Just.
So
More if statements. Let's go.
you says if statements in here. If max
I would
repeat.
say as an overall,
Okay.
remove max repeat and max. Yeah.
If max repeat. What
Wait,
was it again?
wait.
Wait.
No, we do need that if statement. We do need
Okay, we
that
do
if
need.
statement.
Okay.
So if max repeat plus k minus num changes is less than,
Is greater than?
is greater than length, the return length, else return. Exactly, my boy. Exactly.
What was the issue?
Oh, because you cannot. It's because you have a
Oh.
plus equals right there.
Okay. All right. On to the last one.
Oh my god. This case is a little bit different.
Okay.
It's a little bit different.
Isn't it in here though?
Yeah.
So do we want to just?
Go for it. You can go for it. Let's see if that works.
No, I don't think so. Cause this is if num changes is 0. Or do you think it works? I think so.
Go for it.
Boop. All right.
See where it's hitting. Remove that. Control Z. Control Z. Do print. I'm here or something.
Nice. We know where it's at.
Now we know where it's at. Okay.
Just kidding. We don't.
No,
Print.
we're there. We're there.
But you gotta put the letter though, right?
What do you mean letter?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You want to make sure if it was up here or down here?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay, okay.
So I didn't know which one, where I was, or where I am. Oh man, bro, this is tough. This is tough.
I think. Oh, wait. I think it's just a matter of mix and match. Mix and match.
We're guessing now.
We're guessing now. That's what I'm saying. So,
Go for it. Go for it.
uh,
Yeah. Yeah, I'll be back. I'll be back. I'm gonna get something to eat because my brother got me something. I'll be back.
okay.
Yo, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Sorry, my
Yo,
guy.
what's up?
Okay. I got my food. I got some fuel. Back in the stomach. All right. So, what's the deal? What's the verdict?
Judging that I had only about 20 seconds of thought time,
Uh
I
huh.
have no verdict so far.
Alrighty.
I
Alrighty.
am looking at it and thinking, how did I get myself here? And then I thought of what food you're gonna get, and then you came back, and now I'm talking to you.
Alrighty. Alrighty. Alrighty.
So with that being said, 9.
Alright.
It's one less. It's one less.
I think. It's one less. Why is it one less? Because we're doing two. Two. Return. Print out what num changes is.
We're at right here.
Yes, right there.
Four.
4. Print. Yeah.
9.
So we're just printing 9.
Because 4 minus 0. I mean, yeah. 4 minus 4, 0. So you're not adding anything.
Just yes. Yes. Let me see. Let me
Max
see.
changes. We should have known that. We should have known what max changes is because that's one of the ways to get in. Is it needs to equal K.
You know what's happening?
What?
It's counting the A's, not the B's. Because we have 5 A's. We have 5 A's, and just adding plus 4. So it's 9, right? 9, in this instance, 9, that's a problem. Our logic is a bit wrong. Remember how we said, all right, if our max repeats is greater than the length or remaining length,
Mm-hmm.
we return X. That's basically what's happening here. We got 5 A's plus 4, that's 9, right? And if we move the letter or pointer 1 to the first B, B minus the length is gonna give us something less than 9. So basically, we're saying, all right, there's no substring greater than 9, bigger than 9. You get me?
I think so.
Yeah. Yeah. So we're just skipping the B's. We don't even iterate through the B's. We're not even touching the B's in this case.
Okay.
You get me?
Yeah. So our main logic is the issue for this test case.
No, just the skipping of the second if statement. The if statement is the logic, the absolute.
This
That's
one.
where we're messing up. Yep.
Should we delete it?
Mm,
Yes. Short answer.
sorry, my guys. 'Cause, I mean, yeah, go for it. Just delete it. See what happens. Okay, never mind. Don't delete it, my guy. Don't delete it. Don't delete it, my guy.
Oh man, we trusted this. We trusted this code right here, and it turned out to bite us in the butt. And you know why we wanted this code? And we wanted it because we're like, well, we don't want to continue it whenever it finds it. We just want it to stop. And sure enough, it bit us in the butt. And look at us.
It's because
2 hours,
we didn't
almost
even
3 hours in, and we haven't solved the first darn problem, and we're not even doing it probably the right way. And then Jonathan's gonna send us a solution, it's one line code, and yeah.
count. It's because we didn't think about going backwards. That's the thing. We did think about going backwards.
And then the music stopped. Oh, brother.
What's your insanity right now?
I'm upset. I'm more upset than anything. Okay. Uh, I don't know, dude. This might be a rare.
Occasions where we
We're,
reach our
we're
maximum.
maxed out. This is annoying.
It's because in order to fix it, we have to start all over again.
It seems like it.
We're too into the weebs in this one that we have to start over again, and that's just gonna take us another 2 hours or another hour or so.
Oh, brother, that's annoying. All right.
And
I mean, I agree with you. I think.
yeah, and I don't think we're both in the right mindset to even finish it in an hour, or to think of something right now. We're like I'm fried. I don't. My brain stopped working once.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm done.
Yeah. Damn, bro. Damn. And next stream, though. Next stream, bro. Next stream. We're gonna finish it and we're gonna do the hard question. Finish it, bro.
I
You
don't know,
got me?
man. I'm kind of upset now. All
All
right,
good,
everyone.
brother.
I'm sorry if you're just joining. We just hit our max insane level,
We couldn't find
we
it.
couldn't solve our problem that we've been working on for the past almost 3
3
hours.
hours. 3 hours.
But if you want to see where we went wrong, go to the part where we added line 35. Find the part where we added line 35 and you'll find out where we went wrong. And you'll see how happy we were whenever we're thinking, oh, let's add this
About
part.
something like that.
Yeah, you'll see how happy we were to find a more efficient way to do it. And sure enough, it bit us in the butt. So, with that being said, we're going to try to figure out how to stream more than once a week for this next 2 weeks. Me and Jose are going to figure it out. Jose,
Yep,
your
yep,
mic.
yep.
Okay, your mic's
Yeah,
good
I got
now.
you. I got you.
We're gonna figure that out, and then yeah, I think that's about it. We want to get that hard problem done, so we're gonna be
Definitely.
That's one of our main goals now, since we let y'all down. We'll get
definitely.
shut down.
Um, yeah, no, this one is it's a medium problem, but we went like 2 step forwards. Like we rushed into it, right? And we didn't think about going backwards to something to really bite us on our butt here,
Yeah.
stabbed us in the back. Our own code. This is
Yeah.
treason at its maximum. But
All right.
damn, bro, dude, we really wanted to do the hard problem. Hey, but next stream we're gonna finish it. Promise you,
I hope so.
we are.
All right,
So,
man.
with this said, thank you guys for coming. Thank you guys. Stay tuned. Stay tuned for another stream.
Stay tuned.
Another
We'll let y'all
stream.
know. Look in the Discord. We'll let y'all know.
Yep. Yeah. Stay tuned. But thank you guys for coming. Thank you guys for staying with us. Thank you guys for keeping it tight. You know, Jonathan, Orcos, Courageous, Ali, Kyra, Orcas. Thank you for coming. You know, for me, I've said everything. I don't know about you, my guy.
I said everything too.
Yeah. All
All right, we'll
right,
see y'all
guys.
later.
Thank you guys. Bye bye. Peace out. Peace out. Bye bye. Take it easy.
All right.
Bro, this stream, bro. Dude.